Whether you think and believe you can, or you think and believe you can't, you're right. So the question is how you can stop sabotaging your self-belief. Keep watching to learn what it takes to build indestructible self-belief. Self-belief is about how much you believe in your own abilities to complete tasks and achieve goals. It is about your faith in your own capabilities. Self-belief gives you a boost and energy to make the most of yourself, stretch and grow to your fullest potential. So, how can you achieve that? In this episode, I shall talk about 3 main factors that you need to change if you want to have indestructible self-belief. The first factor that will destroy your self-belief is fear of failure. You experience fear of failure when you fear that you will not be able to accomplish something because of your belief that you are not worthy or you are not good enough of accomplishing it. Fear of failure can be linked to different reasons and causes. For example, having critical and unsupportive parents would make you feel unworthy and humiliated as a child, and eventually you would take those feelings and beliefs into adulthood. Or experiencing a traumatic event and feeling embarrassed and ashamed can cause you to carry the fear of failure even now, years later. In addition to that, you can be experiencing fear of success when you tell yourself that if you do happen to succeed at one level, then you will have to continue to succeed at higher levels. But each success will only make the inevitable failure harder to bear, and you resolve this problem by telling yourself it's better to fail right now and get it over with. Hence, fear of failure and fear of success are the same. Both are a product of negative past experiences and programming you received from others and those you gave to yourself. You must look at and examine your belief system when it comes to fear of failure. The way to change that negative self-talk and limiting beliefs about fear of failure is firstly to discover where they came from, look at them objectively, and challenge them knowing what you know now. Follow negative self-talk and limiting belief about fear of failure back to its root cause and challenge it until it falls over and loses emotional power over you by asking questions like, where did my fear and belief about failure come from? Am I carrying around someone else's baggage believing that I'm not good enough? Am I taking other people's projections feeling unworthy and afraid to fail? It's also telling yourself that it's impossible to go through life without experiencing some kind of failure, and it is up to you to decide how you look at failure. This takes us to the second factor that will destroy your self-belief, which is defining a mistake as a failure. Mistakes are an important part of our experience as humans because we all make them. It's about how you think about a mistake that will determine how you feel and if the mistake will hold you back or move you forward. It is important here to identify the negative self-talk that results from mistakes and regrets, and to reframe it into kind and gentle language. Tell yourself that mistakes are not just failures but lessons that give us an opportunity to gain experience and grow. When you focus on your mistakes as an opportunity for growth and learning rather than reasons to punish and shame yourself, you increase your self-belief and improve your overall self-esteem. The third factor that will destroy your self-belief is mishandling criticism. You must accept that you are imperfect and therefore you are subject to criticism. Also, you must accept that the world is a critical place full of judgment and unsolicited feedback. When it comes to criticism from others, it's easy to take criticism personally and allow it to further deplete feelings of self-worth and self-belief if your self-esteem is already low and unhealthy. We must accept that if criticism is constructive and helpful, then it aims at helping us to learn and improve. And it's okay to thank for the feedback and move on. But if criticism from others is destructive, it causes us to feel discomfort and humiliation. In this case, we must learn to respond to destructive criticism assertively and with confidence to defend our position, self-belief, and overall self-esteem. There are times when the safest option to walk away from the situation while thinking and reminding yourself that you are not the problem and you can see the bigger picture of someone's insecurity issues and that you are not going to let affect your sense of identity and self-belief. Most important is how you think internally about criticism and prepare to manage criticism effectively, keeping in mind that there are lots of opinions in the world. So, to summarize, the main factors that you must change if you want indestructible self-belief are fear of failure, defining a mistake as a failure, and mishandling criticism. Remember that self-belief is an empowering feeling and skill that can be learned and cultivated to help you make the most of yourself as well as stretch and grow to your fullest potential. I would like to hear what is destroying your self-belief. Please share in the comments area. In the meantime, if this has been helpful, please subscribe and hit the bell to be notified about any new video releases. I see you soon, and bye for now.